Now, the first step in just about any ceiling tile project is figuring out the layout. The idea behind a good layout is to come up with a border that is as uniform as possible on all sides. The tiles are glued to the ceiling using a high-tack, high-strength, water-based adhesive. The tile is then pressed into position. With the perimeter tiles in place on 2 walls, we can begin putting up the field tiles. Once the last full tile in a run has been put into place, I measure the remaining distance of the wall on both ends of the tile. Then cut the perimeter tile to fit. Installing full tiles in the field goes quite quickly. The adhesive has adequate set time to allow one person to work alone. To locate the position for the electrical box cutout, I measure from the edge of the nearest full tiles to the center of the box, mark the intersection of those dimensions, draw a circle using a compass, and cut out the opening. With the ceiling tiles up, it's now time to install the crown molding. Finally, I reinstall the chandelier. There's an impressive variety of ceiling tile colors and patterns available to enhance just about any decor.